Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, April 22nd. In our last couple of sessions, we have been exploring the strategies that move us toward shame resilience and the common barriers that stand in our way. We already looked at contextualizing versus individualizing and normalizing versus pathologizing. Today, let's look at the next and last pair. Demystifying, which is a helpful strategy for building shame resilience, versus reinforcing, which is a common barrier in our way toward shame resilience. Brené Brown says, the last benefit of practicing critical awareness is demystifying. If we want to demystify something, we simply break it down and take the mystery out of it. How many times do we see something unusual or interesting, and if we are dying to know about it, feel too unworthy to ask what it is, or how much it costs, or how it works? If we start demystifying things by asking the critical awareness questions, we often find that the answers are kept secret for a reason. When individuals, groups, or institutions want to exclude people or raise their own status, they have a tendency to shroud themselves, their products, or their ideas in some kind of mystery. Brené Brown says, one example from my life is the mysterious power of getting a PhD. Every semester, without fail, I have female students come to my door and with their heads hung low, say, well, I think I might be interested in getting my doctorate, and I don't know that I can really do it, but I'm wondering if you're not too busy, maybe you could tell me about your experiences or how it works. Well, Brené Brown continues, I love getting that question because for me, part of building critical awareness is not only seeking to demystify issues for myself, but helping others do it too. I firmly believe that we have the mysterious powers. If we know how something sacred works, we are also obligated to share what we know. Knowledge is power, and power is never diminished by sharing it. It is only increased. And I personally so agree with Brené Brown on this. I think the more we share, the more empowered we all become. The opposite of demystifying is reinforcing. Reinforcing is protecting the mystery of something so that we can feel more important, more secure. Brené Brown says, I think we're most susceptible to reinforcing when we feel shame around an issue. But when we reinforce, we weave webs that not only entangle other people, but eventually trap us as well. Her research participants frequently discussed the important relationship between understanding their shame triggers, demystifying, and reinforcing. When we don't understand something, and this not understanding is a shame trigger, we are often too fearful to even ask for an explanation. Demystifying is a choice. If you know something and you have the opportunity to demystify it or reinforce it, you have the opportunity to move along on the shame resilience continuum. When we choose to reinforce, in other words, when we choose to keep something a secret, we should ask ourselves why we feel better keeping what we know a secret. Today, let's do another circle of loving kindness again to remind ourselves of our shared humanity and of our choice to share our knowledge, demystifying whatever needs to be demystified, keeping fewer and fewer secrets from each other, creating the environment in which shame simply loses its mysteriously strong hold on us. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allowing your breath to be natural, see if you can find a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. As always, begin your loving kindness practice with a gentle reminder that you have a basic goodness within you, and reflect on your simple wish to be happy. As you do this reflection, scan your body and notice how it affects your physical state, your breath. See if you can soften from the inside out. And start repeating after me, silently or out loud. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel loved, cared for, at ease. May I know I am enough. May I always choose to share my knowledge. May I touch deep, natural peace. Now imagine sitting in the center of a circle surrounded by all the members of our Mindful Mornings group, our community, our Sangha. Now we will send loving kindness to each of our fellow practitioners. And as usual, as you repeat the verse after me, also allow yourself to receive their kindness, their good wishes to you. Receive each other's loving kindness with gentle presence. You deserve it. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know you are enough. May you feel safe to share your knowledge. May you touch deep, natural peace. Remember, with each phrase, you are offering each other a gift, and you are receiving a gift from each other. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know you are enough. May you feel safe to share your knowledge. May you touch deep, natural peace. At times you may feel unworthy of receiving all this love. Don't worry. We all have thoughts and feelings of unworthiness sometimes. It's what being human is about. You can even gently say to yourself, if that happens, how human of me. Breathing gently, accept that these feelings have come up. Remember the beauty of your simple wish to be happy, and come back here again and again, as many times as you need. There is no judgment. May you be filled with loving kindness. May you be well in body and mind. May you feel loved, cared for, at ease. May you know you are enough. May you feel safe to share your knowledge. May you know deep, natural peace. And as we're ending our practice, just let yourself sit quietly for a few moments. Scan your body, notice the sensations in your body, in your heart. Notice your breath. Maybe there is a new sense of spaciousness, tenderness, openness. But if you don't feel it, it's okay. Again, there is no judgment. We are not looking after any particular results. We are simply here to do the practice, to do the work. There is no need to fix or change anything. Simply being here is enough. Simply being you is enough. As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Do you feel excited or reluctant when it comes to sharing your knowledge with other people? And if you notice that you tend to feel reluctant about demystifying something for others, why do you think it feels better to keep what you know a secret? As always, enjoy your discoveries. The more you learn about yourself, the more self-awareness you have, the easier it will be to know that you are enough. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.